just in case it wasn't clear, you can put structs within structs. When you do so, you are still following the same design recipes. This allows even more complex data representations, but following the design recipes will help us keep our head on straight. Let's say we were creating a music band struct and wanted to use our dogs as members of the band. We can create a struct as follows. We use the define struct keyword and give the name of the struct, and then we need to give the fields. We'll have a name for our band, we'll have someone who plays vocals, someone who plays the guitar, someone who plays the drums. We'll say a music band is a, very literally, make band, name, vocals, guitar, and drums. We give an interpretation of the fields. So the first field is a string, it's the name, and it's the name of the band. Then the next same three fields are the same type of thing. They're going to be the vocals, the dog who will sing for the band. Then we have the guitar, the dog who will play the guitar. And finally, the dog who is on the drums, the dog who will play the drums. All right. Then, just to be clear, we're going to give the constructor's signature, which is make band consumes a string, a dog, and a dog, and produces a music band. We'll also list out the selectors, just again to be clear. So we end up with 4 constructors this time. We have the band name, which is a function that consumes a band and produces a string. And we'll start using copy and paste here. So we'll have 4 selectors, the vocals, the guitar, and the drums. Each of them consume a band, but all of them return different things. They've all got dog, string, dog, and dog. So they don't return different things, they return the same type of thing for these 3 and something different for this one. Finally, we list out our type predicate. That's our last automatically created function. And the predicate function is the name of the type, so band, and that consumes anything and produces a Boolean value. Now we need to give some examples, and we'll use our existing data definitions, our data examples, to create the new band, the Doggos. They are a make band named the Doggos, and we'll put together Klaus, Ada, and Moon Moon to make our band. So what if we wanted to use our band and perhaps draw them? Well, we can write a function called drawBand that consumes a band and produces an image. So we'll consume a band and creates a title card for each band member. Creates, spelled with an A, for each band member, all side by side, and with the band name above. Great. So we have our signature and our purpose. We give our header. Draw band consumes a band. Leave a ... in there. And we'll call our check expect next. We'll say that when we draw band the Doggos, we know what it's going to look like. We'll have the text, the Doggos, the Doogs, 20, black. And we'll put that above a picture of the 3 dogs side by side. And notice how we're going to reuse the make title card image, make title card function from before to save a bit of time. So we'll say that Ada, Klaus, and so on. Moon Moon. All right. Our design template tells us we should use the selectors, and we'll need them all. You might think that we're going to embed the logic of make title card into our code, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we'll use our 4 selectors, band name, band vocals, band guitar, and band drums. So we get band name a band from our template, along with our vocals, our guitar, and our drums. So here we have our template ready to go. We've got to figure out how we're going to combine it. We know that we need to use the band name. We need to convert it to text. So once again, we're going to put it in size 20 font in the color black. And now we've got 4 images. We've almost got 4 images. We've got the first image, Then we have 3 dogs. We'll use the make title card function to consume a dog. Band vocals returns a dog, and turn it into an image. And we'll do the same thing for each of our other dog functions, dog selectors. So here we have our 4 images. We want to put the title cards beside each other, and we'll put the text on top of the dog side by side. So we can try and run it, and we'll see how it does. Notice how we did use our title card function, and that saved us from having to embed the logic for the dog processing stuff inside of our drawband. That makes everything a little bit easier. And then we can try drawing this on our band, the doggos. So draw band, the doggos. And that gives us our doggos.